When we strum a guitar, we want all the sounds to blend together. Imagine putting fruit into a blender and then it all mushes up and makes one colour. That's what we're doing with the sound. Welcome to lesson 4. How to strum a guitar for beginners. This is part of my 10-day course where I teach you to play the guitar for 10 minutes a day for 10 days, helping you move one step closer to becoming a Disney star or rock star or pop star.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
Today, we'll start learning how to strum. Let's jump straight in, and remember, you can pause and re-watch the video as often as you like. Remember also to listen carefully and watch the video until the end. When we strum a guitar, we use the back of the hand like this to go down, and when we strum up, we use the nail on our thumb like this. We want all the sounds to blend together. Imagine putting fruit into a blender and then it all mushes up and makes one colour. That's what we're doing with the sound. Okay, so we're going to use 2 words to help with today's strumming pattern. We're going to use the word tea and the word coffee. So when we see the word tea, we use a down strum towards the floor like this. When we see the word coffee, we're going to go down and then up like this. Okay, so our first exercise is coffee, 1 coffee and 3 teas. Okay, and we're going to do this 4 times, so join in with me. Here we go. Coffee, tea, 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 coffee, tea, 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 coffee, tea, 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 coffee, tea, tea, tea. Great job. Consider subscribing to the channel. By subscribing, you are helping to support future videos like this and build a community of people just like you.
Hooray!
Remember, you have what it takes to learn to play the guitar and reach your dreams. Okay, so now we're going to strum Coca-Cola and tea. This is how we strum Coca-Cola. We go down, up, like that. Coca-Cola. Okay, so today's exercise, we're going to strum 1 Coca-Cola and 3 teas. So just join along with me. Coca-Cola, tea, tea, tea. Coca-Cola, tea, tea, tea. Coca-Cola, tea, tea, tea. Coca-Cola, tea, tea, tea. Excellent. You're doing a great job.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
What have we here? Okay, quiz challenge. How do we strum the word tea? You got it! How do you strum the word coffee? Correct. How do we strum the word Coca-Cola? You're doing incredibly well. You finished it. We are having fun today, right? Here are 3 ways people mess up learning to strum the guitar. 1. They don't strum the strings quickly enough. 2. They don't practice both down and up strumming. 3. They are too heavy on the strings. Here's what to do after completing today's lesson. Practice strumming tea, coffee, and Coca-Cola until you master it. I am incredibly honored you chose me to be your teacher today. Join me in lesson 5, where you'll learn how to pluck a guitar.